A very good morning to all of you. Hope you all will find and safe at your home. Students, today we will learn what is helping verb and main verb. Helping verb help the main verbs in their functions. यानी helping verb मेन वर्ब को उसके फंक्शन करने को उसके करने में हेल्प करता है. एंड मेन वर्ब डिस्क्राइब एन एक्शन, यानी जो मेन वर्ब होता है वो बताता है कि एक्शन कौन सा हो रहा है. मोस्ट कॉमन हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स आर इज, एम, आर, was, were, do, does, did, and so on. Helping verb help the main verb in their functions. Like in this sentence, I am reading. So first of all, we will recognize helping verb. Here we find am. It means this is a helping verb. And how we recognize the main verb? Students, which one is main verb? You will be able to answer that question once you identify the subject. यानी कौन सा मेन वर्ब है ये पहचानने के लिए, इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर देने के लिए आपको ये पहचानना पड़ेगा कि हमारा सब्जेक्ट क्या है. इन दिस सेंटेंस हु और व्हाट इज बीइंग डिस्कस्ड? I am reading. So our subject is I. And what am I doing? I am reading. So reading is a main verb. Have you ever seen a sentence with more than one verb? क्या कभी आपने एक सेंटेंस में एक से ज्यादा मेन वर्ब देखे हैं? Now look at this sentence. Sohan runs and plays in the field. यानी सोहन मैदान में, रन्स यानी दौड़ता है, एंड प्लेज यानी खेलता है. तो नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we know who or what is being discussed. Sohan. What is he doing? He is running and playing. Both demonstrate the action of the subject. यानी दोनों ही सब्जेक्ट क्या कर रहा है उसके एक्शन को हमें बताता है. So both are main verbs. Okay, students, always remember one thing, that helping verb comes before the action verb. यानी helping verb हमेशा main verb से पहले आता है, और जो main verb है वही हमारा action verb होता है. Okay, students, now we will do some sentences based on helping verb or main verb. Now look at some more sentences. The heading is circle the main verbs and underline the helping verbs in these sentences. It means जो main verbs हैं उन्हें हमें क्या करना है, सर्किल करना है, और जो helping verbs हैं उन्हें हमें underline करना है. Again remember that helping verbs are is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, do, does, will or shall. Okay, now we will start our verb. Now look at number 1. I like playing football. I means मैं, like playing football यानी खेलना, फुटबॉल खेलना मैं पसंद करता हूँ. Now you tell me who is the subject in this sentence. The subject is I. What do I like? I like playing. So playing is a main verb and we will circle to main verb. So we will circle it like this. And there is not any helping verb in this sentence. Now look at number 2. We are going on a picnic. हम पिकनिक पर जा रहे हैं. So here first of all we look helping verb is are. So we will underline it. Now look who is subject in this sentence. The subject is we. Where are we going? We are going on a picnic. तो हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? हम पिकनिक पे जा रहे हैं. तो मेन वर्ब इज अ गोइंग. तो वी विल सर्किल इट. इट इज अ मेन वर्ब. नाउ लुक एट सेंटेंस नंबर 3. वी लाइक टू प्ले इन द गार्डन. वी लाइक टू प्ले यानी हमें खेलना पसंद है. इन द गार्डन बगीचे में. तो नाउ what is subject in this sentence? The subject is we. Who like to play in the garden? We like to play in the garden. It means we is a subject. And what do we like? We like to play in the garden. The main verb is a play. Now look at in next sentence. Grandfather brings fruits for us. In this sentence we do not find any helping verb. Grandfather brings, दादाजी लाते हैं fruits यानी फल for us हमारे लिए. तो who is subject in this sentence? Grandfather. And what does grandfather brings? Grandfather brings fruits. तो main verb is a brings. So we will circle it. And here is not any helping verb in this sentence. Now look at number 5 sentence. They are going to visit us tomorrow. They are यानी वे हैं. Going to visit यानी वो हमारे यहाँ आ रहे हैं. कब आ रहे हैं? टुमारो यानी आने वाले कल में. दे आर गोइंग टू विजिट अस टुमारो यानी वो हमसे मिलने हमारे यहाँ टुमारो आने वाले कल में आ रहे हैं. तो हु इज सब्जेक्ट इन दिस स्टेटमेंट? हु आर गोइंग टू विजिट अस टुमारो? दे आर गोइंग टू विजिट अस टुमारो. सो दे इज अ सब्जेक्ट and are is a helping verb. So we will underline it. And where are they going? They are going to visit us tomorrow. तो main verb is a going यानी वो visit करने जा रहे हैं. वे visit करने जा रहे हैं. Now look at number 6 sentence. Father made some snacks for them. यानी पिता ने बनाए some snacks कुछ नाश्ता for them उनके लिए. तो who is subject in this sentence? Who made some snacks for them? Father made some snacks for them. So father is a subject, and here is not any helping verb like is, am, are, was, were or so on. And what did father made? Father made some snacks. So made is a main verb. Now look at number 7. Rita will go to the market with him. Rita will go यानी जाएगी to the market यानी बाजार with him उसके साथ, यानी रीता उसके साथ बाजार जाएगी. तो what is helping verb in this sentence? The helping verb is will in this sentence. And who is subject in this sentence? Rita. Rita will go to the market. तो main verb is a go. So we will circle it. Now look at next sentence. Ritu loves the new slippers that mother bought for her. Ritu loves यानी प्यार करती है या पसंद करती है the new slippers नई चप्पलें that जो कि mother यानी माँ bought means लाई for her उसके लिए, यानी रितु उन नई स्लीपर्स उन नई चप्पलों को बहुत पसंद करती है जो कि उसकी माँ उसके लिए लाई. तो नाउ हु इज सब्जेक्ट इन दिस सेंटेंस? रितु. हु लव्स द न्यू स्लीपर्स? रितु लव्स द न्यू स्लीपर्स. तो रितु is a subject, and what does Ritu love? Ritu loves the new slippers. तो loves is a main verb. रितु क्या पसंद करती है? रितु new slippers पसंद करती है. तो loves is a main verb. Now students, these are some sentences based on main verb or helping verb. You will do these sentences in your fair notebook. Till then, our next video. Goodbye everyone.